Traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. Markets are down. If we look at the SPY here, we're down 1.53% from last Friday's close. If we look at the daily, big monster dip from last week. We had consolidated up around the 300 for a few weeks, near all-time highs. And then last week, due to tariffs and a few other things, the market starts to dip and dip pretty hard. But we do have a fresh new week ahead of us, so maybe we hit support here. There's some support over here. Not much, but there's a little bit of support here. Next support level is down at 285 area. So we got some areas there that we could probably bounce off of. On the move this morning, we got CARS down over 33%, over 130,000 traded pre-market in play. BABA down almost 4%, over 450,000 traded pre-market in play. SQ down over 5%, over 200,000 traded pre-market in play. We got quite a few here, a lot of the big boy players here that are down because of the market, but I think we can find something good this morning. So let's get to it. PINS, we're going to take this for a short right here if we can at the ask. Alright, we're got 100. Alright, we're full in. Full in at 32.76. Daily does not look good for a short because this thing's been uptrending. But because it's been uptrending so much and the market's dropping, I think people are going to take their profits here. Target on this one, I like it below 32. At least 32.25. And stop loss will be over the highs. PINS, let's get rid of this right here. If we can get hit with the bid. Alright, we're out. We're out with about close to 30-cent loss on this. This should have dropped already. So it'll probably go over the top here. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. It looks weak. Alright, we're in. We're in at 229.86. Daily looks okay for a short, you know. It dropped, it had a little rally, now it's coming back down. Intraday it gaps down. All the dippers came in and now it's getting weak again, so I think we can take this one down to at least 229 and stop loss will be over 231. Alright, so looking good here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright, here we go. TSLA. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. TSLA. I'm going to try to take this right here if I can. Should have dropped already. Alright, we're out. We're out with about a 70-cent winner on it. I'll take that. It's probably going to crack here, but it's just taking too long and the volume's not really there on this. So if the market turns around here, this sucker will pop like crazy. I'm going to take NFLX short here at the ask. Alright, we're in. We're in at 309.10. We think this is just a little bounce here, but I think it turns right back around, goes back down below 307. We're going to try to take a point out of this. Actually, we're going to try to take 2 points out of this. We're going to see if we can bring this down to 307, and stop loss will be at 311. 2 points either way because this thing is moving. But I think it drops, and it drops hard. Markets are still dropping. Doesn't look like the market wants to stop dropping yet. Let's take a look at this thing up close. And if you look at the daily here, it's so close to the lows here that if it goes below 305, you see 299 today. Easy. NFLX. If I see the market try to turn around and it start to climb, I'm going to come out of this trade. But if it continues to drop, we're going to stay in it. NFLX. All right. We're at 38. We got over a point. All right. I'm going to try to take this right here if I can. All right. We're out. Nice. Nice. We got over a point. We got a point and 35 cents out of that trade. I should have waited because it's probably going to crack that 307. But the market has also been dropping for a bit here. So if the market wakes up right now, NFLX should climb. And climb pretty dramatically, I would say. TWLO, we just got in this a little while ago. I'm not sure if I was recording. But we wanted to get in before it broke 123. And we think we can get this down to at least 122.50, and stop loss will be over 124. But if it breaks 123 one more time, I think this thing drops. All right, it's looking good here. See if we can get it down to 122.50. All right, you know what? We're going to try to take this right here just in case it doesn't crack. All right, we're out. Nice. I'll take that. Oh, and look at that thing. It drops right after I got out of it. I should have waited. Look at that thing go. We got close to 70 cents, but we could have got a lot more. TSLA, we're going to take this right here for a long at the bid. We think this thing bounces a bit here before it continues its downtrend. All right, we're in. We got 100 shares. All right, you know what? We'll keep 100 shares, and if it drops, we'll pick up another 100 because it might just drop a little bit more. If it drops below 226, we'll pick up another 100. And if it doesn't, then we'll take it, I like it at least a point, so we'll take it at 227.50 area, or we'll buy some more at the bottom here. All right, TSLA, it's working out. Got about 50 cents, close to it. Keep an eye on the market. Market's climbing, so we'll stay in it. As soon as the market gets weak, we'll just come out of it. TSLA, let's take a look at this thing up close here. If this thing don't climb soon, we're just going to come out of it. You know, we're going to try to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out for about 50 cents, close to it. NFLX, we're going to take this for a long right here. All right, we're in. We're in at 306.39. I see the market trying to wake up a little bit. This thing just cracked 306.50 area, so it might drop a little bit more, but I think it's going to reverse and come right back up, and it's going to come up pretty dramatically, so I think we can get at least a point out of this. Stop loss will be below 305.50 area, and target, I like it, I would say around 307.50 area. And the market's waking up. If we look at the market here, it looks like it's starting to wake up a little bit. So if that wakes up, this stock should climb pretty good. Plus we got cushion today, so it's a big mover though. Could easily drop and continue to drop. There we go. So if we can get it over 307, then we'll see if we take it. But the market's telling us to stay, so we're going to stay for a little bit. NFLX, it's getting close to our stop area, but the market's still telling me to stay in the trade. Look at the market. The market's climbing nice. But if we start putting in a red candle in the market, I'm going to come out of this trade. NFLX, it's looking good. We had discussed earlier on the SPY, if we look at the SPY here, that if it dropped, the next area that it would bounce would be around the 285 area. And as soon as it went and hit 285 area, it started to bounce. See if you look at it right here, you know, because of all this support right here. So we're bouncing now. NFLX, it's looking good here. Let's see if we can crack 307. If it doesn't crack soon, we're just going to come out of it with whatever we can get here. I'm going to give it one last chance here to crack 307. NFLX, we're actually going to come out of this right here. I just don't see it anymore. Let's see if we can get out of this right here. Market's turning around a little bit, so all right, I'm going to push this down here. See if we can come out of this. All right, we're out. We're out for another 35 cents, but I've been in this trade way too long and it doesn't seem to want to climb. The market looks like it's getting a little weak. So before it goes back to the lows and drops, because if you look at the daily, it's a risky area. If it cracks this 305 area, this thing will drop hard. So I gave it quite a few chances to climb, and it didn't climb like I wanted it to. So we took, what is that, about 35 cents. But that's going to be it for us today. I don't really see anything else, and we want to keep it green. We're up 452. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on NFLX and our loser on PINS. Thanks for watching.